Good afternoon, I'm Sean Yao and this is One News Now. Hundreds of families in Toledo City, Cebu are facing the threat of evacuation. This is as the crack at the mining site where a landslide occurred continues to expand. Let's check in on the situation on the ground with our news correspondent, Jenny Dongon. Hi Jenny, how did the residents react to this possible evacuation?
Sean, while residents understand the need to evacuate for their own safety, they are mostly worried about the evacuation area where they will be staying. Some 700 households or families in Toledo City, Cebu have begun packing their belongings after the local government approved a resolution. It orders the immediate preemptive evacuation of households within the 600-meter radius from the mining site. This is because the 25-meter crack found near the landslide area has now swelled up to more than 100 meters. But the residents are more worried about their safety at evacuation centers, especially amid the COVID-19 pandemic. The evacuation area allotted to them have tents with no partitions, making families vulnerable to infection. Local officials explained that this will only be a temporary shelter while they continue to look for other relocation sites. They add that they are closely coordinating with humanitarian response groups to address the needs of affected families. But some residents say they would rather go to their relatives while they wait for clear and concrete plans. Meanwhile, the search and retrieval operations for 6 mining or missing miners following the landslide remain suspended. Sean, families of the victims are begging authorities to resume searching or allow them to operate or to do the operation themselves. But Mines and Geosciences Bureau says it is unsafe for rescuers as landslides are still possible due to tension cracks. Sean.
All right, thank you, Jenny. Take care over there. That was Jenny Dongon of News 5 reporting to us live from Toledo City in Cebu. In other news, the UP Octa Research Group reports that COVID-19 reproduction rate in Metro Manila dropped on Christmas Eve. Latest data shows that as of December 24, the virus reproduction number fell to 1.06 from 1.12 last week. Professor Guido David of the research group says that this could be attributed to laboratories being closed during the holidays. David also noted that less Filipinos have been going outside their households several days leading to Christmas. However, the group reminds the public not to be complacent as the rate is still above the ideal number of below 1. The reproduction rate shows the average number of people each person with COVID-19 goes on to infect. France confirms its first case of a new COVID-19 variant, which experts believe is more contagious and was first detected in the UK. Reuters reports that a man who recently arrived back in France from London tested positive for the new strain. The French Health Ministry assures the public that the infected patient is now isolated and has started to recover from the disease. The new COVID-19 variant, which reportedly emerged in the UK, has been detected in at least 8 European nations so far. For more updates, visit News 5, the Philippine Star, and Business World online. Visit our website, onenews.ph, for more in-depth analysis. You can also catch One News on the Signal Play app. Register for a free account at www.signalplay.com and stream One News live anytime, anywhere. I'm Sean Yao. We are One News.